Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the stylish and efficient 2025 Vespa Primavera 50 Batik. This scooter combines classic Vespa charm with modern technology. Let's get into the specifications that make this ride stand out. At the heart of the 2025 Vespa Primavera 50 Batik lies a single-cylinder, four-stroke engine with a 3-valve IGET system. This compact yet efficient engine has a displacement of 49 cubic centimeters. The bore and stroke measure 39 millimeters by 41.4 millimeters, respectively, contributing to its smooth and reliable performance. Delivers a maximum power output of 2.3 kilowatts, or 3.1 HP, at 7,750 RPM. A maximum torque of 3.1 Newton-meters at 5,750 RPM, ensuring responsive acceleration and a lively ride. One of the standout features of the Vespa Primavera 50 Batik is its impressive fuel efficiency. The scooter consumes just 38.5 kilometers per liter. It's also environmentally friendly, complying with Euro 5 emission standards and producing only 59 g/km of CO2. The Primavera 50 Batik features an advanced electronic injection fuel system, which enhances fuel efficiency and ensures optimal performance. Equipped with a CVT, continuously variable transmission, with a torque server, providing a smooth and seamless riding experience. The automatic centrifugal dry clutch with vibration dampers ensures smooth power delivery and reduces maintenance needs. The Primavera 50 Batik boasts a robust sheet steel body with welded reinforcements, offering durability and a classic Vespa look. For suspension, the Vespa Primavera 50 Batik features a single-sided link arm with a coil spring and hydraulic monoshock absorber at the front, and a coil spring with a hydraulic monoshock absorber at the rear. This setup ensures a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and providing excellent handling. The braking system includes a 200mm stainless steel disc with hydraulic control at the front and a 140mm mechanically operated drum at the rear, delivering reliable stopping power. The scooter rides on tubeless tires, with a 110/70-12 tire at the front and a 120/70-12 tire at the rear. Has a length of 1,860 millimeters, a width of 745 millimeters, and a wheelbase of 1,330 millimeters. The seat height is 785 millimeters, making it accessible for riders of different heights. The fuel tank capacity is 7.5 liters, offering a decent range for daily commutes. The 2025 Vespa Primavera 50 Batik combines iconic Vespa style with modern technology and efficiency. Its compact design, fuel efficiency, and practical features make it an ideal choice for urban commuters and Vespa fans alike. Thank you for joining. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest motorcycles and scooters. Ride safe and see you in the next video.